And then stretch your arms out. Inhale, come up. Stretch the spine. Take the palms on the chest. Bend your knees. Jump. Take your legs apart. Now turn your left foot in. Take the right foot out. Center your hip. Make the leg straight. Mike, this side. Pull the spine up and then stretch out, come down. Now this was the hip opening you were working for in Shirshasana. Come down. Push your hips forward. Now remember what we did on the chair. Now push your hips forward to open your hips and get that stretch of your inner leg. So your hips should not go back. Inhale, come up. And then change the side. Center your hip and then make the leg straight. Join your palms, inhale, stretch the spine and then stretch out. Hips forward. See that your buttocks are not moving back. Inhale, come up. And then change the side. Now again, turn your left foot in, but move your foot out. So it's not on the center line anymore. Turn around, Mike. Yeah. And then when you take your right foot out, place it next to the center line. Center your hip. Make the leg straight. Now feel your inner knee muscles so they are not bending. Join your palms, inhale, stretch, and down. Again, feel your inner knee muscles. If your knees are bending, you lose the stretch there. Stretch your arms out. Inhale, come up. And then change the side. So turn your right foot in. Now see that your heel is not on the center line, so it's outside. Take your left foot out. Center your hip. Make the leg straight. Join your palms and again stretch. And down. Feel your inner knee muscles. Control so your ankle is not rolling outwards. And stretch your arms out. Inhale, come up. Take the palms on the chest. And now keep your toes forward. Keep your toes forward. See that the center line runs in the center of your feet. Join your palms, inhale. Now first, just watch, you're pulling your spine, stretching it out, and then you're stretching out and keeping your head on the brick and your arms in front of you. So stretching out, head on the brick and arms in front of you. Once you're here, relax your body because you want your tighter muscles to loosen up. So you'll be here just relaxing. And then from here, when I say, you're taking the brick inside, taking your hands inside, and then coming down. While coming up, you're taking your hands in front of you and then shortening the distance of your legs like this. And then come up. So then you have the least pressure on your knees. And then legs together. Join your palms. Inhale. Pull your spine up. So first feel the spine. Make it long. Make the muscles of your back long. And now stretch out. Come down. And then keep the head on the brick. And relax here. Relax the muscles of your back, of your neck, of your legs. And now take the brick down, take the brick on the mat, take your palms on the mat and take the head on the brick. Now place the brick where the head is touching the brick. So if you need to keep it high, low, doesn't matter. High, low, it doesn't matter. And now stretch your arms out, shorten the distance between your legs, and then inhale, come up, and take your legs together. And again, take 3 deep breaths. So inhale deep, get a stretch of the muscles of your rib cage, and then relax. Relax the muscles of your rib cage. Inhale deep. So the muscles of your rib cage go in a deep stretch and then relax those muscles to exhale. And then again, inhale. So we'll do the whole sequence once again. Pull the spine up. And stretch out. Come down. Maintain your deep breathing. Stretch your arms out. Inhale, come up. Now first, pull the spine up. Take the palms on the chest. Bend your knees. Jump. Take your legs apart. And then turn your left foot in. Take the right foot out. Center your hip. Make the leg straight. Inhale. Pull the spine. And then stretch out, come down. Feel your knees. So the knees are not bending. If the knees are bending, you lose the stretch of your inner knee. Inhale, come up, and then change the side. So turn your right foot in, take the left foot out, center your hip first, and then make the leg straight. Inhale, pull the spine, stretch out, come down. Inhale, come up. Join your palms, now your toes forward. Take your break. So the first is you're relaxing to loosen up your muscles. Join your palms. Inhale. Pull the spine up and then stretching out, head on the brick. And then here, relax your shoulders, your spine, especially your lumbar back muscles. And now take your brick on the inside of the mat. Take your palms on the inside of your mat and then come down. Feel your knees, don't bend your knees. And then stretch your arms out, shorten the distance between your legs. Inhale, come up, and then jump. Take your legs together, palms on the chest, breathe. Same, 3 deep breaths. So inhale deep, relax to exhale. Inhale deep. See that your chest muscles, because the deeper you inhale, your ribcage muscles, your breathing muscles go in a deep stretch. And just relax them to exhale. Inhale deep. And then relax. Take your arms down. Now take 2 bricks, 1 blanket. 2 bricks, 1 blanket. So first, place the blanket like this. And then place the bricks on the blanket, and then take a paper also to clean your nose.